Hi friends, I received this wireless lavalier microphone for reviewing purposes. It's really nicely packed, as you can see. You get two microphones, so you can do like a podcast kind transmission or interview. Okay, each microphone have this lapel pin, so you can put them like this. And this is the receiver. It has this lighting port that you can use in any Apple phone, okay? So you also get the user manual, and you get two USB-C cables to charge the microphones, okay? And the receiver can be connected to a lighting cable and be charging the phone or getting energy from the phone, okay? So you can charge the microphones really easy, and the receiver will go directly to the phone. Let's try it. I'm putting together the lavalier receiver here. Okay, so now it's ready to work, and I am going to hit record. Okay. Hi. And I'm going to use one of the transmitters here. We are going to turn it on. Okay. We're getting the green light. That means it's connected. Okay. So I am going to put it here. Okay. And well, I am in front of the room, and I am talking in a regular voice. This is me talking in front of the room, away from the phone, with the lavalier. Hi, thank you. Friends, now I am outside doing this testing of the lavalier microphone. And as you can see, you can hear me even though there are some noises in the outside. So, well, this lavalier microphone is great even if you need it indoors for a conference or streaming something, or outside like now, where you are able to speak and to record your voice perfectly. Thank you.